Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to search GIFs on X. So first of all, open X and you have to start a new post by using this blue plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you should tap on GIF section, and you can use search bar at the top of your screen to enter specific keyword or phrase that is related to the GIF that you want to find. Basically, let's enter something like this. You will see results on your screen, and when you find your desired GIF, you want to tap on it to add it to your post, and additionally you can add some commentary. And finally, when you're satisfied with how your post looks like, you have to tap post in the top right to post it to your account. Now if I go to my profile, here is my post that I have just created. So that's how you can search GIFs on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.